Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and today I wanted to show you how I made this mermaid design with regular nail polishes, some loose glitter and a ton of gems and other embellishments. I already showed you how I made the gel design I am wearing on my right hand, which is made on natural nails with gel polishes only, but because I also really love my regular nail polishes, I just wanted to let you know that it is really easy to make something like this with regular nail polishes as well on actually any length of nails. It's really easy to do. So you want to start off with a base coat. I have already applied that, as well as a good layer of this essence polish, which is a beautiful like baby pink shade, super creamy and super opaque as well. Then I just wanted to make it match kind of with the gel polish hand, because I did wear this for my 28th birthday, and I made this the day before I actually turned 28, because I just wanted to make something that was matching with my other hand, since we were going out to dinner and stuff like that, and sometimes people look at you a bit funny if you have two completely different nail art designs on both of your hands. But I just really wanted to make something kind of similar, and I thought it was like a great idea to show you that even though sometimes designs seem like they can only be made with gel polishes or anything like that, you could actually recreate similar designs with almost exactly the same products, but just with regular nail polish. So here you see me just applying some loose like gold glitter into the still kind of wet or like tacky layer of nail polish, as well as some other like star and circular glitters. Then I'm just going to use exactly the same embellishments as I did on my gel polish design. If you want to know how I made that, I already uploaded that video, and I was really happy that you guys liked it that much, and that's why I really wanted to upload this video and edit it as quickly as possible as well, to make it kind of like a two-part series or something like that. But I'm just adding a ton of rhinestones, half pearls, like AB crystals, some translucent stones as well, and some really opaque, almost like real stones onto the nails. Those are the blue ones. They aren't like real stones or anything, they're just made of some kind of plastic or acrylic kind of material. But the all of the embellishments I think I got all of them from AliExpress. I might have gotten some of the half pearls from eBay or something like that, but I know that there are tons and tons of embellishments available at AliExpress. You guys know me, I love shopping at AliExpress, so if you want like any direct links or anything, I can always just try to look them up for you. It has been a while since I bought all of these, but I might still be able to get back to those in my like shopping history kind of page. But yeah, I'm just applying all of these gems in a layer of top coat, and you want to work pretty quickly, especially when you work with a quick drying top coat. But if you feel like your top coat has dried a little bit too much, just apply a little bit on the spot you want to add some more gems, and you're good to go. Then for the pointer finger, I'm adding a minty green polish, and I'm just applying two thin layers and blending that in really slightly just with my finger. I feel like for the best gradient effect, this is like the best method. You don't need any additional items, you just need two colors of nail polish and your own finger, and you're good to go. You don't need like any specific like tools or anything like that. So this is like a design anyone can actually make. You don't have to have like super ninja nail skills or anything like that. It's just really easy, and just try it out. And as I said before, practice makes perfect, and that's just something I really live by. Don't expect your designs to be perfect from the first time. I've been doing this since I was 13 years old, so I've been doing this for 15 years already, and I started like doing really crappy nails, you know, like nail polish on the cuticles and stuff like that. But as you grow older and you keep on practicing and just making lovely designs, you keep on learning. So for this nail on that like pink to mint green gradient, I'm applying the exact same glitters. I really love these like multi-chrome or like duochrome star shaped ones. They are just so cute, and I'm just going to add a nice layer of top coat again to get some of those gems on there. And I've been asked a lot if I prefer or how I actually adhere rhinestones or embellishments to my nails. So I'm just going to answer that question once again because people keep on asking me on Instagram as well as here on YouTube or Facebook or anything. For natural nails with regular nail polish, I prefer just pressing them into a tacky or wet layer of top coat or nail polish. I really don't like using nail glue on natural nails with gems, because if you want to switch your design and take the gems off, sometimes nail glue can be a little bit too harsh and you can actually damage your natural nail plate, and that is something you don't want at all. Just trust me, you don't want like white patchy spots because one of the layers of your nail plate has been damaged. That's just not a pretty sight, you know? But yeah, you just want to apply some of those same gems and just play with it. Just pick some random ones. I really loved adding the gold embellishments as well. I've got tons of those. You can add some micro glitters, some AB crystals. I actually added a little like palm tree as well in the middle of the nail. You can just go as crazy or as wild with this design as you want to. There are no limits to nail art, in my opinion, as long as you don't hurt people or animals or the environment or anything like that, you know? For the middle finger, I added an extra layer of that pink, and I'm just going to sprinkle in some of that loose loose gold glitter, as well as some of those stars and circular blue multi-chrome or duochrome glitter. I feel like it is multi-chrome, but from some angles and on top of some particular nail polish colors, it looks more duochrome. But in the pot itself, it's more of like a multi-chrome because there are more than 2 or 3 colors in that glitter. But yeah, I actually got this glitter from AliExpress as well, and I got it in a pack of 6, I think. And the loose gold glitter is actually one I got from a Christmas collection by The Body Shop, which is really random, but it works like a dream. And I just totally lost my voice, so I had to take a little break of like a minute to clear my throat. I get that sometimes if I'm recording this pretty early in the morning, and for some reason my voice always cracks up a little bit early in the morning, and yeah, that just happened. So sorry about that if I sounded a little bit rough at the end of the 8-minute mark. But yeah, for the ring finger, I'm adding a little bit of a gradient, a really soft gradient with a really like kind of like translucent. It's not super translucent, but it isn't like an opaque color as the pink, but it is a really lovely like lilac-y pink kind of shade. So we have a really slight gradient on that one. It isn't as opaque or how do you call that, opposite as the pink and the mint green, but it just gives a really slight like lovely fade in real life. So yeah, for the middle finger, I actually forgot to mention, but you just want to cap in that glitter with a good amount of top coat. And then for the ring finger, after you've done that slight gradient, you can do this with any color. And actually, I just wanted to put that out there. You don't have to make it exactly the way I do. You can do this with purple shades or only with pink and purples or with blues. It doesn't really matter. But I'm just going to add a couple of gold like seashell embellishments, as well as an AB crystal and one of those blue little like stones. And we're already almost done, you guys. This design is so quick. It is way quicker doing this with nail polishes than it was for me doing it with my non-dominant hand. with gel polishes. But yeah, this one you don't have to cure, because that takes like a couple of minutes every time you have to cure it. But for the pinky, you want to make the same gradient as you did for the pointer finger. You can actually switch it up as well. By that I mean using the mint green on the cuticle area. That would be kind of fun too. Now looking back at it, I didn't try that or do that. I just really like the pink. And yeah, just add that same glitter. I really liked adding those stars to every finger, and I kind of skipped the hearts because I felt that wasn't super mermaidy, but I did put one little heart on the ring finger though. And then before you put all of your embellishments and gems in, just add a good amount of top coat. You can use any top coat. You could use a matte top coat as well if you want that, but you guys know me by now. I really like my shiny stuff, so a shiny top coat it is for me. You could also, if you do this with gels like I did in my previous video, I just applied all of the rhinestones with a gel top coat and no glue at all. But you could also use, for gels at least, there are like those thicker gels which are rhinestone or like embellishments gel glues. I don't know if they are called like that, but that is what I like using for like really big embellishments on my gel polish hand nails, if you know what I mean. But yeah, I really hope you loved this design. In my previous video with the gel, I added some music as well because I felt like it was really repetitive, that whole video. So do let me know in the comments down below if you prefer me talking through the entire video, or if you just want a little intro and just some nice soothing or yeah, kind of music in the video as well. So yeah, I just really wanted to thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you guys in a next video.